I'm going to be starting with the front. See, I just collect the section of my hair, comb from the root to the top, divide it into two, then twist. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Azoya and this is Vinny's vlog. So guys, today I'm going to be twisting my hair. I've done one part already. I've twisted one part of my hair already. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to twist your own hair. And I'm going to be showing you using this part of my hair. I'm so excited to go to it. So without wasting much of your time, let's hop into the video. So I'll just take this braid on my head down. So guys, I've taken this side down and I'm going to be putting it in mini twist. Mind you, my hair is still moisturized. Like I added water to my hair like few hours ago, so my hair is moisturized. I'm not going to be wetting it. So in case you want to do it and your hair is dry, please apply water before combing your hair and making it. So guys, this is my hair after taking down the cornrow. I left my hair in. So guys, I'm just going to be sectioning this part into two sections. Make the first section, then do the second section. So I don't know, I have to be very close to the camera for you to see what I'm doing. Like, I don't really know how to cut my hair very well, so I'm just dividing my hair into two. To be very honest, I don't even know what I'm doing, but we are going to learn together. So this is the first section and this is the other section, you can see. So I will be packing the first section, which is the one in the front, and make the one at the back. I told you, never use tight rubber bands or stuff to pack your hair. So let's make this part of my hair. Guys, I'm going to put it in a jumbo twist because I don't want to stress myself. I don't want to go there. I don't want to go to the stress level. Wanna go there? You should never go there. Daddy man. Seriously, I don't know how to cut, but we're all putting our in protective style, right? So let's learn it together. So this is the first section I'm taking. If you can see, this is the first one I'm taking, and I'm just going to be combing the tip to the middle, then up, and I'm done. Now I'm cutting it into two again, then just moving it over each other. This is how you twist your hair. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing, but yeah. So this is first one. Let's do another one. I just cut. Can you see my twist? So this is another one. I cut it into two, lap it over each other. This is so cool. So guys, I'm done with the back. So guys, this is the remaining section remaining to do. I'm so happy about that. Like so happy about that. So now I can actually see myself and see you guys. So I'm going to be starting with the front. See, I just collect a section of my hair, comb from the root to the top, divide it into two, then twist. You saw that I did not overcut my hair or apply too much pressure. This is what a protective style. This is a protective style. You don't have to do those. You don't even have to do those stuff normally to your hair. But this one, I really don't have to do anything like that, even if I want to. Sorry, I'm not using my comb to cut my hair or section my hair because I don't want to. I really don't want to. So I'll come from the roots, cut it into two. It's just me doing this, like using this one over this one, 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 guys. Yeah. Then I cut my hair again. Comb the tip of my hair. Guys, can you see my hair is not breaking? Can you see my comb? So guys, if you've not watched my video concerning hair breakage, go and watch the video. I'll also put it in the description box below, just in case you don't you don't want to stress yourself going to back to my channel and looking for the video. Just go to my description box and click that link there. And please also don't forget to subscribe to my blog. Yay, guys, we are done. I am done. So this is how it looks like. I won't lie, it's it's cute and not cute. So if you're thinking of how to style it, there's already a video I did last year on how to style your mini twists, so you can go check it out. I'll be putting the link also in my descrip- description box. So guys, I'll be using a scarf to press it down because I'm not going to be using a gel to slick it down. So instead, I'll be using my scarf to slick it down so it will not stand and it will be down. So that's why I'm using a scarf to press it down. So guys, I'll just tie it so that it will stay in place for some period of time. So guys, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Bye guys.